Hey Spices! So in today's video we're going to be making chicken legs, or some people like to call them chicken drumsticks. We're going to be making them in the air fryer. And stay tuned till the end of the video to hear about the giveaway. So let's go spice things up. So right here we have a package of chicken legs, or some people call them chicken drumsticks. And so we're going to put in a bowl. To our bowl of chicken legs we are going to add a little bit of avocado oil and some seasoning. This is from our friends at FreshJax. I do have a coupon code for 15% off. It will be in the description box below. This is called Rosy Cheeks. It is a maple bourbon barbecue spice. And just gonna add it, and then you'll wanna mix it. Mix it all together so that all of your chicken is coated with a little bit of this delicious spice. And I like to add a little more. Alright, that is looking beautiful. To the air fryer basket, we are gonna just add our chicken legs. These ones are kind of big. A lot of times I get the smaller ones. But we're just gonna stuff them all in, well, as many as we can. We might have to do a couple batches, which is fine. Today we are using this air fryer from our friends at Kitchery. And the one thing I do like about this air fryer is how you can wind the cord up. The information on this air fryer will be in the description box. Oh, and guess what? The company is gonna send one of my subscribers one of these air fryers. So if you're interested in winning one of these air fryers, just comment down below with the hashtag #ILikeItSpicy. Now we're just gonna add the chicken right into the air fryer. So we're gonna turn it on. I am gonna cook it at 375, and I am going to cook it for 7 minutes. Time to open the basket up. So now we're gonna turn them all over. And now put them back in. 375 again for 7 minutes. Let's open it up again. Ah, looking pretty good. So now I'm gonna turn them over again. Now I wanna add some barbecue sauce. We really like Sweet Baby Ray's. So we're just gonna add barbecue sauce right onto all of the chicken legs. And put them back in. But now we are gonna crank up the heat to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Let's open it up. So we are gonna repeat the process, and we're gonna turn these over. Add the barbecue sauce to the other side. Once again, put them back in. 400. And I like them really crispy on the outside, so I'm gonna do 7 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah. This is exactly how I like them. Now, of course, if you do not like barbecue sauce in yours, you can just cook it the same way and not add sauce, just add the seasoning. But it's that easy. It is done, and you are ready to eat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget, if you want to be entered in the giveaway, hashtag #ILikeItSpicy in the comments down below. I will announce the winner in the community tab in 2 weeks. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.